Okay. Hey! Hey! Wait. Hey! Get out of the toilet! Yo, get out of the toilet!
Nope, I'm going to sleep.
Okay. Hey, friend! You want to come with me to outer space? Oh, would I? Okay. Tomorrow we're doing it. Come tomorrow. Or you want to sleep in my rocket ship with me? I want to sleep in your rocket ship with you. Okay.
The rocket ship with me. Okay. Come on. You go first. I'll go first.
Okay. Good night. Okay. Time to go to sleep. And this is what the rocket ship looks like. No, it's time to go to sleep, Jaden. That was the red dog's name. My dog's name is as known as Paris. So the bear's name is Barney, and Wanda. The raccoon's name is Wanda. No, wait. The raccoon's name is Cosmo.
No, the raccoon is not his friend. It's the puppy's girlfriend.
Okay, it's Wanda then. And the bear's name is Cosmo. And the other puppy's name is named
Nick.
Susie.
Susie. Fantastic.
Okay, so they're going to sleep. We have nothing to do. Who wants me to read you a book? Okay.
Is it funny?
I don't know yet.
This puppy has to go pee in a weird way.
Once upon a time, there was a king and a queen who lived in a castle, and the daughter was a pretty princess, and she'd been stolen by Liberty. Yeah, the Statue of Liberty. So Rapunzel, she got stolen, but she found her family. The end. Okay. Puppies to wake up. Let's eat before we go. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm so hungry.
Hey.
That was last year.
Wait, what's my...
Now it's spring.
What's the raccoon... Wait, what's this?
Yeah, we slept a long time.
What's this name again?
I forget. That's all the way from December. It's a long time ago. Yesterday was the last. Today, oh wait, yeah, it was all the way from January.
Hey,
yesterday was the last. Now it's February. Come on, let's eat.
Hey guys, wait up for me. Can't eat yet.
Okay, time to get in our rocket ships. We got a big day.
Come on.
Can I try? Oh, sure.
Oh God, that's so gross. That's so gross. They're on the moon. I hope we don't get on the moon. Okay.
Mr. Piggy Pork Chop.
Whoa!
Time for action. Woo! Woo! Land. Okay. Time to get to the moon.
Whoa!
Okay, we're at the moon.
Wow, there's a whole bunch of...
Whoa! Oh, whoa! Whoa! I'm floating in the air! I want to go back home. Okay, I'll I'll take you back home.
You guys might get back in your rocket ship and go. All of us go home right now. You know that zombie hand?
Woo.
It's on this planet.
Oh, let's go home. Hurry, hurry. I guess they on here. I just really wanted to give them more gummy eyeballs.
Hey, did you say gummy eyeballs? I'm still here.
Yeah, I'm still here too. Can I take like 10 more for my friend? Oh, sure.
Thank you. I thought you were
Here's 10 gummy eyeballs
and the
for
whole
you.
time.
You're welcome.
When you said go in the woods and look for more people, I thought you wanted to kill us. Well, I just wanted to be friends because I just wanted to give you some movies.
Aren't those gummy eyeballs more better?
Yep. See, I told you guys, we have a best friend here.
We got a very good best friend.
Okay, hey, will you like to go back in Earth with us?
Sure, whatever. Here, he'll go with you.
Wait, he won't fit. Hey, he can go in this. This can be his rocket.
Hey.
Hey guys! Wait.
I came to go get him back from Earth. Okay.
That was sure fun.
That was fun. The end. And we love the moon anyway.
Yeah.
Okay. Here's a song that goes with this video.
Okay.
In our world we must be friends, but in the space like we are still. So you gotta be friends, you gotta be friends, you gotta be friends forever. And you gotta have love, cause everybody needs romance. And I'll be living with you forever.
Puppy Town.
Thank you.
And this is Puppy Town. This
Time.
is a very